Hey guys, welcome. Today we're starting the fall overseed and I have a few tips that will help you. Seeds are something that I'm always shopping for, and the one thing I want to show you guys is the expiration date on the back of the bag. It's right in this little white tag. And remember, always get more than what you need. You should lower your grass first. I don't scalp it. I go to about 1.5 inches. So we're gonna lower it down and bag it. You wanna keep the soil as clean as possible. You wanna rake your yard. You wanna remove as much debris and dead grass. And for that, I highly recommend the Groundskeeper 2 rake. It will pay itself in no time. Whew. Oh man. 1, 2, 3 functions: upper body, cardio, and get your lawn clean. Aeration. I know, everyone says the same thing, but it is important. And just to show you guys, I am doing the yard, especially the bare spots, using a spike aerator. And now we're gonna poke some holes. As a matter of fact, the only power tools we're using is the lawnmower and the leaf blower. Now would be the best time for you to level and just look at the areas that have little bumps and holes and level it. Get a good quality topsoil and don't forget to back it down. We are adding starter fertilizer to the yard and also lime. Fall is the perfect time for lime. I like to put the lime and the starter fertilizer down, and then I'll use the garden weasel. It mix things up for you. Everyone's favorite time now, the seeds. Put it down. I like to do the bare areas first by hand so I can get a good look at how much seeds we put it down. Remember, we're using Scott's and a germination rate, it's about 80%. Also do the edges by hand. I like to add a little more on the edges, and I do the entire yard with a spreader. And remember, we're doing all these steps to help the returning grass and the seedlings. I like to protect the seeds by adding a light coating of peat moss throughout the entire yard. I know it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. The peat moss will add nutrients to the soil, will hold the seedlings in place until germination. And on the edges by the street, where there's usually a lot of traffic and water, I'm using the Pennington straw. That'll also add nutrients to the soil. Just like magic dust. And we got most of it done. Next weekend I'll do the front. We gotta water it, but we are getting some rain tonight. Now we just water and wait. When I say water, don't over water. You just want to keep the seeds moist until germination. Everything should be coming up or germinating in a couple weeks. Just remember, it's fall now, so the temperatures are cooler and germination is going to be a little slower. I don't want to step back here, but we got growth. This is all the dense shade, so it's going to take a little bit. So, cool. This is a couple of weeks back here. I had to redo a few spots. We had about, I believe, 3 inches of rain. Not sure if it's gonna catch the rain. gauge back there, but it's coming in good. Over here it's coming in. It's coming in good. I do the high traffic in here, so it seems to hold. This is all washout from the gutter. Which is all pale. That's the tenacity. This is 2 weeks on the tenacity here. Right here we're coming back. We're coming back here. But this is all done already. Now we have to do the edges on the street. Alright, this is third week here. Pretty good. I was gonna mow today, but no time. But there, let's really see the new perennial. There was bent grass all over here. See some more still dying there. Coming up really good on the walkway. All right, 3 weeks. Sorry, I'm on my phone. We got Ian hitting us today, but the tenacity still working, and the grass coming back. The temperatures went down a lot. I mean, a lot. So still, we're fighting. Here's coming back pretty good. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button. Tell me all your concerns down in the comments box. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.